Nagmistulang eksena sa pelikulang pagtakbo ni Senator Bato de la Rosa sa loob ng Senado noong Lunes. Nadapa pa at muntik masubsob ang senador dahilan ng kanyang pagkakasugat sa kamay. Ang pagkaripas nito ng takbo ay dahil sa paghahain ng NBI sa warrant of arrest nito mula sa ICC.
The judges assessed the material submitted by the prosecution and found reasonable grounds to believe that Mr. De La Rosa is allegedly criminally responsible as an indirect co-perpetrator for the crime against humanity of murder.
Pakiusap na ako ay isang Pilipino na humihingi ng suporta galing sa inyo na dapat sana ay huwag niyo akong ipagkadulog sa mga dayuhan. Yan po ang aking apela sa aking mga kabalo.
Dahil dito, ipinag-utos ni Senate President Alan Cayetano ang lockdown sa Senado para matiyak ang seguridad at proteksyon ng mga senador.
Senator Bato will enjoy the protection of the law and the protection of the Senate in accordance with our rules and with Philippine laws. Just for the record, no senator was allowed to be arrested ever inside the Senate premises. Enrile, Estrada, Revilla, Trillanes, apat na yon. So kung si Leila, de lima na yon. Never been allowed arrested. And there's always been coordination with the Office of the Senate President.
Para hindi madakip si De La Rosa, isinailalim siya sa protective custody ng Senado. Ayon kay Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, warrant of arrest lang mula sa local court ang kanilang tatanggipin at hindi warrant mula sa ICC.
If the senator claims that he was denied due process, we'll allow him to file whatever sa court. Pag na-exhaust na yon at hindi, at meron pa rin na warrant of arrest, this is a foreign warrant of arrest. We don't even know if it's valid or hindi.
Kaya malaking katanungan ngayon, maaari pa rin bang ipatupad ng NBI ang arrest warrant ng ICC? Kung si Attorney Edgar M. Avila na dating kongresista at din ng College of Law ang tatanungin, maaari pa rin itong ipatupad.
This is for academic discussion because it's supposed to be sub judice. There is a pending petition ni Senator Bato for a temporary restraining order sa Supreme Court. The answer is yes. There is no law na pinoprohibit ang pag-aresto ng senator or congressman sa premises ng Senado o mababang kapulungan. It is only an act of courtesy kung meron man. Can they implement the arrest warrant on June 5? The answer is yes. Kasi yung protection na yon ay hindi na covered dahil Congress is no longer in session.
Dagdag pa niya, hindi na kinakailangan pa ng warrant of arrest mula sa local court.
Under the new rules on extradition noong April 2025 lang, kailangan daw mag-issue ng warrant of arrest yung RTC or yung local court bago dalhin sa ICC. That would not apply to Senator Bato because unang-una, yung extradition request must come from a state nation. But the ICC is not a state or a nation. It is a court. So doon pa lang, hindi na kailangan ng local warrant of arrest to execute yung warrant.
Nilinaw rin ng NBI na kahit anumang oras, maaari nilang maaresto si Bato at ang sino mang hahadlang dito ay posibleng patawan ng obstruction of justice.
It was planned properly. There's a coordination with the Senate security. So, ano yan, maayos yung pagpaplano. Actually, we can enforce the arrest anytime kahit na nag-session, but we need not do it. Because when there was a move already from Senator Marcoleta to put si Senator Bato into protective custody ng Senate, medyo hard line na yun magkakaroon na ng kiskisan doon. We want to avoid it.
Sa ngayon, naghain na ng temporary restraining order ang kampo ni Bato sa Korte Suprema para pigilan ang anumang pag-aresto sa senador. Angel Arquero, RNG News.